Good, how are you? Alright, so I don't know if it's just me or what, but holy fuck, this speedway sucks. I pulled up to the pump, tried to get unleaded about 3 times, and it kept going to premium, and I'm like, I ain't fucking paying for premium and or putting premium in my fucking car. And now my mom's calling me. Fuck. Not every homeless guy is bad. There are some decently nice homeless people out there. My previous experience with my last job, I had been dealing with a lot of fuckhead homeless people. So I'm just accustomed to just not being cool with them. Alright, so this dude's name is, I don't know, this dude's name is Joe or Jay or Josh or James or Jehovah or some fucking shit. I guess my mom knows him. He has some truck with a big motor or something. I don't know. I just work here. This has been the worst setup to a car show ever. They had us like sit and wait in line and make us fill our shit out before like parking. So I don't know why you wouldn't just let us park and then have us fill this shit out, but it's Owosso. They're fucking weird. I don't know. Mom, what do you think so far?
Yeehaw.
Yeah.
It's a rodeo. Let's ride.
No, that's a bad idea. Are you already taking pictures of shit?
Yeah. Oh, why not? I gotta post them that we're here.
Just gonna get everything nice and washed here, and just just get everything nice. Okay, all right, everything's good.
Yes, you can. I'm from Williamston. I own a '77 Pontiac. If you car shows every weekend, this is my life. You're gonna get a really shitty angle.
I take a hit and you light it up. What if it won't?
These aren't brownies. These are.
You just tell me what to do. I'm higher than before, not safe anymore. Ever since I met you, I caught fire.
who decided to show up. Look at who decided to show up. Look at it. What?
Little truck life. That's you.
That's me.
That's all you, dude.
That's not me.
Little truck life.
I'm not a truck guy. I was a truck guy. I'm not a truck guy anymore.
AC delete.
AC delete.
There ain't no belt on this here AC compressor.
Doesn't know that, dude. We're gonna just take the whole thing out
And
put
LS
a
swap
2J in there.
and LS.
I'm not paying $2.50 for a hot dog, so we're walking to McDonald's because exactly. Who the fuck charges $2.50 for a fucking hot dog that you bought the whole pack for $2.50?
I mean, you can buy 3 of them.
Get your shit together. 12.16. Right? 95 in cash and this on a card. Okay. What'd you get to drink? What'd you get?
Vanilla Coke.
Oh my god.
The place you can get it, that's nice.
Dude, I panic ordered. I panic ordered and I got that. That was a bad mistake. This is a lot of fucking food. I'm scared. Wendy's was a bad idea. Bye. Goodbye. No, don't do that. Don't do what he's saying. So I walked down here to catch an Onyx, but there's no Onyx, and I still play Pokemon Go because I like to hold on to dying dreams. But they're gonna start doing the Limbo competition soon, which I wish my car was on bags, but it's not. So that's unfortunate, but whatever. Can you say goodbye? Say bye.
Peace, Dragon.
Say bye. Okay, cheese.
Oh, mommy.
Oh, it's mad zoomed in. Somebody zoomed it in. Hang on, I gotta zoom out. Cheese.
Cheese.
Hang on, I got. Oh my god. Okay, say cheese to me then. Cheese.
You. Say what it
I don't know what he's doing. It's still recording.
Cheese. Cheese.
Oh.
Cheese.